On the morning of September 19th, 1985, Mexico City started to shake.
I remember very clearly, it was a little bit before 7 o'clock in the morning. I went to the window and I could see the water of the pool just moving from one side to another, you know, like. And then I turned on the TV to see the news. There was no signal on the TV. I called my boss. I used to work at a TV station, and he said to me, "You have to come to the studio. We have to start reporting."
A TV producer, Carlos headed into the city to cover the aftermath of the quake.
It was really devastating. It was really shocking. Everything collapsed. People bleeding, hurt. I mean, imagine a bomb just crashing into your city. It's like a nightmare.